select courses in site administration block, click add or edit courses, and then say add a new course. Give a full name for course name as conversation. Give a short name. Course ID. Course description. And then select the format where you want to display your topics. Select the format as activity locking. Then you can set number of weeks or topics, course start date, hidden sections, new items to show. I have kept all the default as it is. So now I will say save changes here. After creating a new course, you have to assign roles for it. So I will assign a student, and a teacher for the course. To go back to the home page, click int LMS towards your left hand side, and it takes you to the home page, and you can see the course which you have created. If you click on the course name, it takes you to the course home page. This is how you create a course. Thank you. Select a course, speaking. Before creating an activity, you should first set the learning outcomes. To create a learning outcome, select outcome from the administration block. Select edit outcomes from the drop-down box. Click add a new outcome. Enter the learning outcome. Give a short name. Select a scale for our outcome. You can give a description to it, and then click save changes. A new outcome has been created now. Click on speaking to go back to the course home page. To create an activity, click on turn editing on. Select lesson activity. Give a name. And you can set the grade options, flow control, lesson formatting. I would like to have the lesson in slideshow, and I would like to have a left menu here, and there is another option where you can select the learning outcomes for the lesson, and then click save and display. Select import PowerPoint. Browse. Select the zip file. Upload this file. And this is the preview of the material which you have uploaded. Click turn editing on. Click on the lock sign on lesson 1. Select user must access this activity. Click Save Activity Logs. Similarly, click Logs for Lesson 2. To access Lesson 2, the student should first access Lesson 1 and then he can access Lesson 2. Similarly for Lesson 3, student should first access Lesson 1 and then only he is allowed to access Lesson 3. For Lesson 4, user should first access Lesson 2 and 3, then only he is allowed to access Lesson 4. This tick boxes indicates that you have set the pre and post conditions, and this is here the student has not been enrolled for speaking course, so click all course, select the course name and enroll for the course. And if student click on lesson 2, he is unable to access this lesson because he has not completed lesson 1. If he clicks on lesson 3, he is not able to access lesson 3 because he has not completed lesson 1. Similarly for lesson 4, he has to complete lesson 2 and 3 to access lesson 4. So first, if he clicks on lesson 1 and if he completes lesson 1, then go back, this tick indicates that the student has completed lesson 1, so he can access lesson 2 now. Similarly lesson 3 and lesson 4. Thank you.